Huh? Well, those max tracks are melting.
Hey?
The max track's melting.
Melting?
Well, that's bent.
That's what the car did.
Like, look at this.
Yeah. We're in the world out here.
Oh. Should they do that after one use?
Oop. There's no way of winching the van backwards.
I can see the ocean.
It's good, baby. That's as far as you get to it.
A little bit of context. It is 1:30. So we're literally out here in the middle of the day. Obviously, I'm not doing much. Sorry about that. Look at that. Your leg literally just sunk.
Yes.
I'm gonna get you some water. I'm getting you some water so you don't pass out.
Yeah, but I nearly dug into the cycle. You're alright, guys. I'm just going to keep moving back. I can't turn around the van. You just get to keep on the side.
Fuck, that's what he needs to do to get through that.
Yeah, but babe, that's the only way we're going forward. I'll just winch it forward and hope the fuck. Can you get the keys and dishes forward?
But there's the fuck bit, like,
yeah,
from to where I am, then it gets a little bit better.
It's probably actually better off, eh?
Only a little bit.
Mate, she's just sinking, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, this is fucked. Because we've had no rain, bro. Like, I haven't been out here for 6 months. And it's never been this
I might
boggy.
try that. It's probably a better option.
Yeah.
Get the car out and then just...
Mummy and Daddy got bogged dodgy, so now we got to try and sort this out. Lucky these amazing people have come to help us. So he's hooked up over here. I'm trying to get a spot where I can see what's happening. We're having issues with the winch. What's happened? The winch has just come off. Did the winch just come off?
Yeah.
It snapped?
At the winch.
Are you fucking serious? That's a brand new 20,000 pound winch and it's just snapped.
Not there.
Yeah.
Just grab a snatchy quickly.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to give you a crack. Yeah. If I go down, I'll reverse back again and then I'll train off the cruiser.
See how we
If
go.
it's no good, then we'll just work out how to get you backward.
Yeah.
So you know that that's snatch strapped there? Oh yeah. Is that something else? That's a joke. That's an actual... like we weren't even doing anything.
Wasn't even tugging.
Literally didn't even pull and it's just snapped. Never used. Fabulous. Thanks, Carbon. Look at that. Lucky that these people have stopped. Otherwise we wouldn't have had an exit route because our winch just snapped. We're gonna have to get out, babe, because now we're not gonna... What's the plan?
Here's Max, chuck it out.
Yes.
Stop digging yourself in, brother.
Okay, so unhook the van, pull it up there, reverse it into there, and gun it out. Without trying to break something.
Now the caravan is not unhitching from the car. So we normally have to rock back or forward a little bit when we do this. Come here, baby. Up. You right?
Babe, is the handbrake off the caravan?
Just don't move. No, it's not. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, stay here, baby. Hopefully that did the trick. Yeah, you're just trying to rock it a little bit.
No, they didn't move.
Yeah, a little bit. Hopefully enough.
I need a little bit.
Baby, not under the caravan.
Your keys, babe.
So we've unhitched the van and now he's going to pull it out. Let's go, baby. Say go, daddy, go. Nice. Good job, daddy. We got some babysitters. Look at these guys.
Oh, no?
Do you guys care if I get snippets of you in my video?
We're not wanted. Well, one of us is, he's escaped.
Of our little helpers. Look at them. You guys are amazing. Yeah.
We knee deep.
Yeah, right.
So,
So it was out under these tracks. We just.
man, I can dig, I don't want you to be digging. Sorry.
No, you need to exercise. Yeah. Look at him. Hey.
Just the rears, mate. I just.
Yeah. Where his camera is. Stop. Forward just a little tiny bit. Stop. Now just let it roll just a little bit back.
Say again?
Roll a bit
Just
back.
roll it just a little bit back. 50 mil. Yeah. Bit more. One more. Yep. Yeah, that'll do. That'll work. I reckon that'll work. Yep. Maybe. No,
Yeah.
so close, you can turn that in.
Yeah.
She going?
Should be close. Heaps of bite. You push the car, Werner, I'll push the comes down. Is that working? Hang on.
Just keep pushing, guys.
Yeah, I'll play this back around with that. Look at that. Fingers
You
out.
creep forward like.
There you go. How important is that?
That clipping. Sometimes it doesn't because it's on an angle.
Yeah.
When I pull it,
I've got a whole set of t-shirts made out of that.
out of what? Once I pull it.
No, not putting that clip down properly.
Oh yes.
Next time we went out there, everyone had t-shirts on. Don't forget your hitch bitch. Don't forget. No, not this is your fantasy.
My fantasy's getting out of here.
Yeah. I'm having a great.
Hours later.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Go, go, go.
Go, go! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Alright, we're out, but now we're going down this tiny thin track with the van, and she's getting probably fucked up right now. How you feeling, babe? Big old liner. We ain't moving for a bit. And this is our setup. Looks like a gin camp, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about what's about to happen right now. This is the moment that Jake flew our drone into a tree and it died, never to be revived. If you thought that this trip couldn't get any worse, well, let me assure you, it did. We had a gas leak in our fridge the whole time we were there. Fabulous. Just fabulous. So please enjoy the last few moments of our good friend Mr. Droney Boy's life, because we will never see any more footage from him. Very sad. Rest in peace, Mr. Drone.
Hey guys, so we made it out. Thanks for watching the episode. If you did like it, throw us a comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, then just stop watching us. See you in the next episode.